cycle, circulation of water. Join us now as we explore. Let's find some more. The cycle of water. Hey, it'll be okay. Hey, it'll be okay. Hey, it'll be okay. Hey, it'll be okay. We are the H2Os.
Are you marveling at how cold does the small gray majestic snowy falls?
Are you thinking about what will happen if the water in Earth does not move along?
Are you curious about how beautiful but sometimes devastating rains form?
Are you wondering where all the glass of water we consume came from and go? If yes, join us to explore the wonderful cycle of water. Earth is truly special in its water abundance. Maintaining life of Earth greatly depends on its water as it helps unite land, ocean, and atmosphere in an interconnected system. The storehouse for the vast majority of water is in the ocean. Over 96% of total global water is in the ocean, and only a tiny fraction is readily accessible fresh water, which us human needs. Current in ocean move massive amount of water around the world, and these movements have a great deal of influence in the water cycle. Evaporation is the process by which water is changed from liquid to gas. It happens when the sun heats the water molecules and transforms it into water vapor.
So as you all know, condensation is the opposite of evaporation. It is the process by which the invisible water vapor rises in the atmosphere where its colder form clouds. Then after that, air currents move the clouds all around the earth. What do you think might happen next? Of course, the condensed water vapor eventually precipitates back to the earth in the form of snow or rain. This precipitation reaches the earth's surface in different points.
Let's say it is snow. Some water is in storage, then it is moving, such as ice caps and glaciers. The snow that falls to the ground will eventually melt back into liquid and run off into a lake or river, which flows back into the ocean, where it starts the process again. Some ice evaporates directly into the air, escaping the sublimation phase, while some goes through the process of deposition, where water vapor transforms into.
Now let's say it is rain. Some rains returns directly to the ocean, river, or lake, while the others falls to the ground. The rain that infiltrates into the subsurface of soil and rock, if deep enough, becomes our groundwater.
These groundwater move underground because of gravity and pressure. The groundwater close to the land surface is taken up by plants where it evapotranspire or evaporate in from their leaves. However, in land-based or terrestrial ecosystems, rain usually hits the leaves and other surface of a plant, where it evaporates in the atmosphere quicker through transpiration. Some groundwater seeps into rivers and lakes. It can flow to the surface as springs. Some groundwater goes very deep into the ground and stays there for a long time, while other groundwater flows into the oceans, keeping the water cycle going. Although the complexity of water cycle may seem complicated, one thing's for sure: if water don't recycle naturally, life as we know it would not exist.